Hey guys, happy Sunday. Just a quick little Sunday check-in. Some guy made a comment about me needing to turn off the mirror or whatever. Yeah, I know everything's backwards. That's because I need the phone facing me so I can uh, see what the visuals look like, because I'm a narcissist. I need to know that I look good. That's a joke, by the way. So what's going on, all you crazy HVAC guys out there and gals? We know we're the craziest sons of bitches out there. Let's be honest. We know that we are. I know that I'm probably certifiable. I'm probably, if I were to go to a psychiatrist, he probably would tell me that I'm crazy. But these are all man-made labels that are given. And you just be you, but be a good person at your heart. That's all that matters. But you can be as crazy as you want to be. Just don't be mean, violent. Don't break the law. Well, some laws are stupid, so if you do, you do. But you know what I mean. Just be a good person. So yesterday was kind of a fun day. We went over to my brother's house. It was my little niece's birthday. She's very sweet. She turned 2, and of course, so who is it? How I always forget who these people are. Okay, so my brother's wife's niece's husband. Okay, God, it sounds like something from Jerry Springer. Yeah, my brother's wife's niece's husband. And this isn't political. I'm going to call him a soy boy, though. Soy boy is not a political term. It's just it's basically a description of how he is. So we started talking about something, and I can't even remember what it was. Actually, it was my brother and him were talking about something, and I noticed the discussion was getting pretty heated. So I had to jump in, of course. And suffice it to say, his wife asked, or no, so I got up in his face. Now, granted, this guy, and I say guy loosely, is 5'2", probably 140 pounds, maybe. If he's more than that, it's just jello. It's extra jello, because he's soft. He's got pipe cleaner arm, just a little wimp. And hey, maybe I'm a jerk for saying that, but he is. He's a little soy boy, little wimp. So he gets up in my face, and I say, "Dude, I'm like twice your age. Get out of my face." And that was the end of it. I walked out. I'm the bigger man. I'm not gonna get physical with anybody. I'm way too old for that shit, and I'm way too smart, because I don't want him. He's not worth getting the cops called. So I walked out, and then I guess I heard my brother called me up after we left, and he said that his wife, my brother's wife's niece, I think that's who she is. Like I still don't know for sure. Said in front of my mother, mind you, our mother was there. Did he get dropped on his head when he was little? That just makes me laugh, because these people are so crazy. And I'm crazy in my own way, but not in an unintelligent way. I'm just crazy in my unfiltering, go F yourself kind of way. So anyway, she said that, and then that set my brother off, and then I guess they had a whole other powwow after I left. And I didn't even start it. I was just backing my brother up, because it was something about gun laws and stuff, and of course he's yeah, anyway, I'm not getting political with this. It's just kind of funny. So yeah, we'll get back with some more HVAC videos. I just have not much going on this Sunday, and just kind of hanging out, watching TV with the family. Went and got all the stuff, Easter stuff for our daughter. But anyway, that was kind of a fun altercation. So my brother's wife's niece's husband. Yeah, it's like trailer park stuff, isn't it? But don't worry, I'm not white trash. I might be trashy in some ways, but I'm not white trash. And then I also want to address real quick, some of these guys say these stupid comments. You just get blocked right away. This guy goes, "Oh, this guy's lit." Like my eyes are red or something. Like I'm smoking dope. I don't know what that means. Lit? Am I drunk? What is it? No, that's not the case, dude. And I've addressed this in other videos. You know, when you have a family and a life and a business and everything else, you don't get very good sleep. You know why? Because you're always thinking about how can I make that next buck to take care of my family. And that's what it is. I wake up in the middle of the night thinking about my next job, my next heat pump job, my next furnace job. You know, how am I going to make this money? If you guys knew what I paid on my mortgage every month, you'd have red eyes too. So enough of that nonsense. I don't need intoxicants to have red eyes. I have red eyes because of my life in general. So you can just calm that shit down right now. So I always, you know, I like to do these videos because it kind of gives you guys an idea of where I'm coming from. You know, so when you do see the actual HVAC videos, you know, it's kind of a release for me because life in general is go, go, go. Lots to do. There's always something to do. I mean, I just had my lawn cleaned up, you know, spring cleaning yesterday, and I just feel, you know how it feels like things are just disorganized. I don't like things like that. I want to keep things organized, and that's my goal for this year, is to get really organized and streamline everything. So hold on a second. Sorry about that, guys. So anyway, to quell any of those notions from people that just get on randomly and say this boy's lit or whatever, give me a break, dude. And it's usually, I bet you it's from these guys that are in their 20s still, that haven't lived life yet. But life will give you red eyes, dude. You don't need any intoxicants to do that, and I don't need any intoxicants to do that whatsoever. Life will do that to you. I have a lot on my shoulders, more than I would ever tell you guys on a stupid YouTube channel, but a lot more, a lot at stake, and I have to plug, and I have to keep making money. Otherwise, I'll lose everything that I have, and I have a lot to lose. You know, I'm not a single guy anymore. I have lots of possessions, lots of financial things, lots of family, friends, relationships that I can't ruin, otherwise I lose everything. So, you know, when some stupid idiot gets on and says something about red eyes, forget you. I'll just forget you, because you don't have any clue what you're talking about, for one. And two, you ain't worth anything to me. So you just get hid from my channel right away. And I've had to do that to quite a few people. And, you know, it gives me a better appreciation for those that are smart and know what I'm dealing with. They know the daily grind. Anybody that's ever had a trade business, and I'm not just talking about HVAC, as a one-man band by myself, I do everything. I don't have a secretary. My wife has her own job. She doesn't have time for any of my stuff. I do all my own books. I do all my own ordering. I do everything myself. I do my own taxes. I don't pay somebody to do my taxes, which is probably stupid, but I do it all myself. I put it all on my shoulders, on my big shoulders, because I like to have that control, and I know what's happening with everything. Every time I let somebody else in to take care of one aspect of my business, it usually goes to shit. So I'm a control freak when it comes to that. You know, some people say I'm a narcissist for that. No, I want control of my business and my finances. I treat everybody with respect in my personal life, regardless of what you may have seen on this channel. And I will continue to do that. I like to have a good time sometimes, and I say some things I probably shouldn't, but I think everybody does that, don't they? That's why we're human. It's the human condition. We have flaws. So All that being said, I'm going to cut this video off. I just wanted to get into it with you a little bit today, and it's Sunday. I'm relaxing, alcohol free, no booze, just relaxing, enjoying time with the family. It's starting to rain outside, so we're gonna go inside, probably watch a movie, and enjoy life, which is what everybody should do. So I appreciate everybody watching the channel. If you are, I love it when you guys click and watch the videos. Watch the full videos. Don't just click through them, because you don't get the full aspect of what's really going on. And that's when I get the dumb comments. If you watch the videos from their entirety and you see how everything's going, then you won't have to ask these questions, because I try to address everything in my videos and make things clear. The bad comments I get are from people that just aren't paying attention. So pay attention and life will be good. That's what my dad always told me. So have a good night, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to be out on a heat pump job, manufactured home heat pump. So I look forward to that.